diba?
Okay. Hello guys. I'm here in Discovery Pranaya. Thank you so much, Beshika, for inviting me.
Enjoy!
I'm enjoying very much. And thank you so much. Yeah.
Ito yung sinasabi nila, good things, do good things, and then good things will come back to you.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's good to hear use words. What go you say that? Basta
Sige.
yun yung English nag-boss with na ako guys. Nako.
Kaya mag-English?
Kanos-lig guys. Anyway, thank you so much.
Anyway, or at least na-advise na. Actually, at least you change it. Yeah?
I changed it. Anyway. Not eventually, not actually. Anyway, guys. I'm so happy to be here.
Yeah?
It's not
Hot here?
it's not hot.
Not hot? Not hot?
No hot.
Not hot. It's normal. Okay, done. Say bye na.
Yeah. Okay. Magtabi continue.
Then we continue.